Kung dati mayroong ASUS number 1, ngayon meron naman ng LASONan. Actually, matagal na to, pero hindi ko masyadong pinapansin. Ino-overlook ko siya kasi alam ko na baka mamaya pag nahumaling ako dyan, medyo kakaibang bisyo yan. It's like they are talking about 30K mechanical keyboards, 50K. So it's really an enthusiast topic. Pero as I see what's going on right now sa mechanical keyboard market or in general sa accessories market ng Pilipinas, parang medyo nagkakaroon yata ng transition or somehow shifting ng market. And ito yung dahilan kung bakit medyo naging interesado na akong mag-research or magtanong-tanong about these mechanical keyboards on what is really going on and things that ano bang meron sa mechanical keyboard enthusiast sa ngayon. LASON. And at the same time, of course, on how we will share test mechanical keyboards para sa inyo. Kasi para sa akin, hindi ko mabibigyan ng justice yung brand, especially that for the first time in our channel, lumapit si Razer and gusto niyang magpa-review ng mechanical keyboard. And ang pinakamahal na mechanical keyboard pa yung binigay sa atin. So parang nakaka-guilty lang kung ang bibigay ko lang sa inyo is an overview. Like I will just tell you how is the build, the sounds, or kind of some general technicalities about these mechanical keyboards. What I did is, of course, join the mechanical keyboard community and did some kind of research or, of course, questions to shorten yung stage na pagre-research natin kasi kailangan ko rin talagang mag-double time. Pero I end up in a unusual situation as an IT guy, and for the first time, naramdaman ko na, holy, dami ko pang hindi alam. So, ayan yung pag-uusapan natin mga kaibigan kung anong natutunan ko recently, and of course, join me on my journey to become a mechanical keyboard enthusiast. So, hopefully, the guys out there who are really an enthusiast, please, we are humbly entering your zone. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.
This video is brought to you by SCDKey, the best website that you may visit in terms of very affordable deals and best offer para sa application softwares, games, and yes, operating system. And there you are, you may check the Windows 10 Pro, and by using our promo code, ma-avail mo lang siya ng around $14.95 or 700 plus pesos. That's it mga kaibigan. Check the description below. May mga links po tayo dyan to go directly sa kanilang website.
So as you all know about this channel, it is more on PC components, like components inside the case of a computer, custom PC builds, ganyan. Not into pre-builds or medyo lang sa mga laptops if there are new laptops in the market. And at the same time, kung sa accessories, medyo ilag din tayong pag-usapan. Dahil meron ngang mga enthusiast na parang sa tingin ko, I think I need to relearn everything again if I will go and talk about mechanical keyboards. Yun din yung dahilan kung bakit medyo hindi ko na pagbibigyan yung mga request nyo. Pero for the first time, I will now try to show you or to give you mechanical keyboard reviews. Pero for me to do that, syempre, kailangan nating magpaka-enthusiast. And dito tulad sa mga sinasabi ko sa mga previous videos, it's not because you are an expert 3 years or 2 years ago, you are still an expert as of now. There is always a very fast-paced innovation about technology. And as time goes by, intricacy in terms of technicalities or perspective natin sa mga bagay-bagay is mas naging detalyado over time. And like me as a tech reviewer, I need to be always fair na hindi ako maging misleading reference. So yun yung dahilan kung bakit sumali tayo sa grupo na to, pero kakaiba yung mga natutunan natin. And yun yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo mga kaibigan for this very very quick video. Things that I have just discovered about mechanical keyboard. And here is the top 3. Number 1, custom mechanical keyboards. Back then, we only know about mechanical keyboards as we have a Cherry MX, red, blue, yellow, switch, Kale, Gateron, Otemu, ganyan. Yan yung mga sinasabi natin about mechanical keyboards. There's a brand like Corsair, Razer, SteelSeries, ganon. Pero, yung mga yun are just kind of pre-built computers lang. As of now, parang PC build, meron na ring custom mechanical keyboards where sobrang daming detalye na ang hirap sabihin, very, very quick. Pero I just want to share to you kung ano yung perspective ko bilang kakapasok lang sa ganitong larangan or community. Na-realize ko na ang mechanical keyboard pala can last for a lifetime. Like, you can own a mechanical keyboard and have it for a lifetime. Kasi pag nagka-problema, pagdating sa case niya, then you can just avail another case. If nagka-problema sa kanyang PCB, then you may avail custom PCBs. Same with the switch. And in most cases naman, wala naman sa mga case or sa PCB. Nasa switch or sa keycaps yung nagkaka-problema sa mechanical keyboard. So, you can just replace the switch. Kasi, in terms of pre-built, pag hindi na gumagana yung H at saka yung J, babasura na yan. Ganun yung parang, kumbaga, pananaw natin about mechanical keyboards. Na pag hindi na nadadetect, then, replace mo na yan. Bili ka na ulit ng bago. Pero with custom mechanical keyboards, hindi. It may cost you much if you will be going to a bit kind of, yun nga, mapasama ka sa mga LASON, mga temptations na mga pinapakita sa groups. Pero if you will think at the other side of custom mechanical keyboards, mas makakatipid ka in the long run. Siguro like PC builds, medyo mapapamahal ka at first. Like, you will not just end up with a regular PC build na pre-built or regular mechanical keyboard like this na pre-built. Pero, you will have the best mechanical keyboard for yourself based on your preference. Yun yung may bibigay ng isang custom mechanical keyboards. Well, this is just a quick video, so let's skip to number 2. Another thing that I have just discovered is ang dami palang switch ng mechanical keyboard. It's not just about the red, linear, brown tactile, blue, clicky, green, or other purple mechanical switches. Meron din palang mga switches na, ano ba yun? Hindi ko na masyadong na-absorb, hindi ko na masyadong matandaan, novel cream, like that. Or like sa Gateron, merong Gateron Robin, yun yung kinuha ko recently. And switches that hindi mo lang sasabihin na, oh, that's a red switch, Cherry MX. Hindi lang ganun, kundi it's a Gateron red switch filmed and polycarbonate top with nylon base. Whew. Switch pa lang yun. And then another awkward thing that I heard about mechanical keyboards is the GB. Like, merong GB? Is that a capacity? Meron na bang storage ang mechanical keyboard? Pero yun pala, group buy. Meron palang nangyayari sa mga community that if you really want to avail top grade mechanical keyboards, dapat sumali ka sa mga group buy dahil limited lang yung mga nire-release nila for certain time frame. Tapos, maghihintay ka din ng siguro mga 3 months to 6 months to 8 months. Ito is para na sa mga gusto talagang sumali sa mechanical keyboard community and want the best out of it. Join group buys. And yun yung isa sa mga na-discover ko na, wow, kaya pala sobrang exponential yung paglaki ng mechanical keyboard community. Kasi ang daming mga activities na nangyayari. Like, paghihintay, yung communication of what's the upcoming mechanical keyboard limited edition. Meron palang worth 30K for a mechanical keyboard or 50K for a mechanical keyboard. So, doon ko na-discover na ang dami ko pang hindi alam about mechanical keyboards. And to be honest, if there are things that I know about mechanical keyboards, it's just the general things or ideas that we know like way back then nung nagsisimula pa lang ang mechanical keyboards, or kumbaga yung general na kalaman about mechanical keyboard. Not literally napupunta ko sa mga stubs, lubes, PCBs, brass plate, gasket mount, tray mount, or any kind of other details that I have just discovered lately. So yun yung mga bagay-bagay na nalaman natin na gusto kong i-share sa inyo na mayroon ng ganitong community growing as of now. So, I'm expecting that most likely 2 to 3 years from now, these mainstream brands will also release or adapt the growing market of custom mechanical keyboards. That is what I can state as of now. So, shout out sa mga kasamahan natin dyan. Of course, Sir Kevin Tan, James Bugay, Ma'am Kian Santiago, Tech Birol, Marvin Gabriel, other enthusiasts sa mechanical keyboard community. Thank you guys and have a nice day ahead.